Have you ever truly considered where money comes from? Not the coins in your pocket or the bills in your wallet, but the vast invisible rivers of capital that shape our world. From the gleaming towers of Shanghai to the bustling markets of London, this financial lifeblood courses through the global economy, directed by an unseen hand. It's a system of immense power, governed from shadowy boardrooms where a select few watch over the flow, holding the levers that can build nations or bring them to their knees. This is the story of how banks, in their quiet, calculated way, control the world. At the heart of this system lies a surprisingly simple, yet profound mechanism: the creation of money through debt. When you see a family unlock the door to their first home, or an entrepreneur break ground on a new factory, you're witnessing this process in action. These dreams aren't funded by a vault of pre-existing cash. Instead, when a commercial bank approves a loan, it doesn't just transfer money, it creates it. With a few keystrokes, a digital entry appears in the borrower's account, bringing new money into existence. This fundamental truth means that the vast majority of money circulating in our economy is not printed by governments, but is born as debt owed to private banks, forever linking economic growth to a cycle of borrowing. With the power to create money comes the power to direct the course of human endeavor. The decisions made within these financial institutions echo across the globe, determining which visions of the future become reality. A bank's choice to fund a sprawling solar farm over a new oil pipeline shapes our energy future. Its willingness to back a risky biotech startup while denying a loan to a traditional manufacturer steers the path of innovation. Through these lending decisions, banks act as the de facto architects of our economy. They finance the colossal infrastructure projects that connect our cities, underwrite the corporate mergers that create global giants, and fuel the technological revolutions that redefine our lives. Their allocation of capital is not merely a financial transaction, it is a vote for which industries will flourish and which will fade. Controlling the creation and direction of money is only part of their power. The true mastery lies in controlling its speed and flow, managed through the invisible lever of interest rates. Picture it as a sophisticated control dial for the entire economy. When central banks in concert with private institutions turn this dial up, the cost of borrowing increases. The flow of new money slows to a trickle, cooling an overheating economy, curbing inflation, and often triggering a slowdown. Conversely, when they turn the dial down, borrowing becomes cheaper, and the river of money swells into a flood, fueling booms, encouraging spending, and accelerating economic activity. This delicate, continuous adjustment allows them to manage the cyclical nature of our economies, wielding a subtle but immense influence over periods of prosperity and recession alike. So, the next time you look at the world around you, the cities we live in, the technologies we use, the very jobs we do, remember the invisible architecture that underpins it all. It's a system of breathtaking scale and complexity, quietly managed from behind closed doors. The immense power to create, direct, and regulate the flow of money rests in the hands of these institutions, giving them a profound and often unrecognized control over the global economy and the fabric of our daily lives. They are the silent sovereigns, shaping our world in ways we are only just beginning to understand.